Hello, na good day, please. I want this tape to go viral. Na God I take beg una because let's be factual. This when dey happen for this country, e no good. Just imagine, a day na dem send me one code. When dem send the code come, my friend say ma try am. Say if it be scamming too, but make I still try am. If it be scam I try am. I say maybe dem dey scam me, then I try am. When I try am, now I see say dem write Living Faith Church. I say na my church. Now I look am, wetin dey happen again? They say make I press star 389, then I press star 30 star 1 hash, make I dial am. Now I dial am. When I open am, now I see 1 offering, 2 for tithe, press 3 for thanksgiving, press 4 for Shiloh offering. Shiloh don pass him, so press 5 for transportation seed, then 6 for others. And of course, make I press 7 again to manage accounts. I no understand. I say sure. Now I come press 1. When I press 1, now it show me say abeg if una try and see wetin I dey talk. Say make we if na offering the amount wey I want to put. I say sure. We dey house. Government say make we go house, go stay, to sit down for house. We no dey work. How we go take dey produce money now? We no even still want to buy food for the children, buy food for all of ourselves. Now they want to go dey give a church. If you can imagine Dangote, he drop 1 billion. Say me they take manage this sickness. Boy Cement drop 1 billion. To the Olumeru drop 1 billion. Femi Otedola drop 1 billion. Jimovia drop 1 billion. Then Obasanjo sef even bring his ass where he has. Dangote still drop his ass for Lagos wey dem use. Obasanjo submit property say make dem use for hospital. Atiku drop 50 million. Then instead of church wey be say we like collect the money give una suppose to try use that money take donate to us na because na we na dey die. Una don get big place wey una dey isolate una sef. Money wey una supposed to drop make e save we wey dey the churches, even other churches Christians. Una no gree drop 10 naira. We said una dey tell say but we come pay money press this online. It's a shame. Go to London, e no dey happen. Na shame for this country, big shame. We get people like my pastor Yenipo, our papa. You don do school get money, everything get money, yet you can't even say make you drop money. You drop 1 billion in bad when you want still dey take from us. Also dey reach all of that don dey share like who mess from us. See redeem church. You don't feel drop money say make dem drop. See Christ Embassy, see Kumuyi. Now even TB Joshua I never drop but I believe say go drop because that man dey spend for people. I beg na God I say beg una behavior no good. Whether I go join Muslim now I don't know because una go force people comot for the church. This is this time period one is supposed to support Nigeria. Other people dey go for abroad. Support the government. Make we all for not die. But now una dey do am. I dey shame for that. This video to go viral. So that one I hear that make una shame for una sef. Una too get long throat. In fact, may God forgive us all. Thank you very much.